Good afternoon, wonderful people. My name is Kirk Francois, and you're tuned in to Kirk Knows PB, Real Estate and Lifestyle, where I help Canadians and Americans buy, sell, and live better in Puerto Vallarta. Today, we're going to take a property tour in Cinco de Diciembre. This is 399 Panama. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo measuring 94 square meters, which is roughly 1,011 square feet. The asking price is $388,000 USD. And today is a little bit of an overcast day. It's cloudy. This is unusual for this time of the year, but it doesn't take away from this immaculate view from the rooftop. You can literally see the full bay from the South Shore all the way to the North Shore. And one of the great things about this particular building and its location is its proximity to pretty much everything. You're in walking distance to the stadium, which is a municipal park where you can use the track. There's basketball courts, pickleball, volleyball, and so much more. Also, you're super close to a grocery store named Lay's. The Malecon has been extended. So it's just a wonderful neighborhood, great vibes, walking, very walkable. And the unit itself is immaculate. So without further ado, let's go check it out so you can see it for yourself. Welcome to Casa Carmartis. This is on the top floor, H3. Let me open the door and walk in. One thing I'm going to point out, you got the security door, which has a mesh, which is fantastic. You can keep the security door open or closed, and then your other primary door open so you can get a nice breeze. But it's pretty warm right now, so I'll close it. So we walk in, very nicely decorated, immediately greeted to artwork and paintings on the wall. Has a nice rustic feel, and it's super bright. You got your kitchen right here to the left, granite countertops, fully furnished. Everything you see here is included. Okay, let me just hand the camera over here so you can get a full feel for what the space in the kitchen's like. You got a gas stove oven combination. Let me take a look. It looks like it's brand new. Yeah, I don't think it's been used. So you got a brand new stove, lots of cabinets. You got your microwave and obviously your refrigerator. Straight into the dining / living room, which has a really nice feel to it. I like the decorations and how it's furnished. Very high ceilings. So this is something that would be really comfortable for someone who wants to be here either full-time, part-time. The owners currently rent it out. So if you're interested in terms of an investment, I'd be happy to share the rental income or projections. Just send me a message and I'll share that with you. Now let's head towards the bedrooms. Right here, don't want to miss anything. There's a little closet, so great for your cleaning supplies or any linens. That's right there. And it looks like this would be, so this is where if you were to have a washer and dryer, this would be the setup. So you would have that right here. This is one of 2 full bathrooms. Nicely done, encased glass shower. Pretty good size counter. All right. And this is the guest bedroom. Now, this is a queen size bed, but the room itself is pretty large, so you can comfortably fit king size should you want to choose or switch that out. But let's orient the camera so you can see the full space. You got your closet set up, your mini split AC, and a ceiling fan. Again, angled ceilings. You got a very tall ceiling, so it makes the room feel larger. And the color concept that they chose really goes really well. So it's light colors, allows for the natural light to just shine through. All right, now let's take a look at the primary. Primary has a king size bed. And this is your closet area. They've also put a small desk, which for those who want to work, you can do that from here. And from the primary, you do have a small terrace. Let me just open this up. Now it's an overcast day, but on a sunny day, this would be really nice to take in. You got partial ocean views. And then straight from here, you're literally 4 blocks away from the ocean. So super close to everything. That building with the gray or the red roof is a grocery store named Lay's. So very convenient for you to go and get groceries. And you can also get to the beach very quickly. All right. And of course, you have an ensuite. So let's take a peek there. And what I've noticed, they've put the laundry here. So that space that we saw in the hallway, it originally was set up for a washer and dryer, but they've decided to put it inside the primary suite. All right, now that we've seen everything inside this unit, let's take a look at the pool. There are 2 pools on this property, so we'll take a look. All right, so on the main floor, here's one of the 2 pools. Let's take a quick peek. So it's a good sized pool, and you have views towards the ocean. The other pool is located in the building across the street. As an owner, you have access to both. So that's something that you can enjoy at your leisure. And also on the other side is the gym. Right now I don't have access to it, but again, if you'd like to see it, feel free to reach out to me. I could set up an appointment so you can see it either in person or virtually, or I can send you pictures. Now that concludes our tour today here at 399 Panama. As a quick recap, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, which measures 94 square meters, which is roughly about 1,011 square feet. The asking price is $388,000 USD. And as you saw, it's a beautiful condo in the right location. There are great amenities. You got 2 pools to choose from, a rooftop on this particular tower where you have full views of both the South Shore, Central Shore, and North Shore. Super close to everything that you would need. You don't need a car, but there's parking assigned. So if this is something that you want to see in person or virtually, contact me today. Details on screen. And until my next video, thank you for watching Kirk Knows PB Real Estate and Lifestyle. I'll see you soon.